My dad owned a shop when I was young. I've been in a shop since I was 12 or younger, working on race cars my whole life. But at the end of the day, helping people and fixing things, the repair part of it.
I don't like to just fix things, I like to make things better. Myself and most of my guys in the shop have having just a knack for working on vehicles, just a knack for physics, you know, kind of understand how things work.
We are cleaning vehicles inside, you know, steering wheels, shifters, door handles.
We're doing those kind of things to try to keep the car in good shape and running this ozone machine in them to try to lower the chance of virus.
Right now, we as a nation are facing difficult times. As an essential business, we want to remind everyone that we are here to best serve you and your vehicle, whether it be service, repairs, or quality parts. We'll be there for you. We will treat you as a part of our family, the DuTeau family. Let's get through this together. Stay safe, and thank you for your support.